ready to unleash your digital masterpiece upon the world. Let's dive into how to publish your website using Adobe Dreamweaver, step by step. First, open your website project in Dreamweaver. Ensure all your files, YURA HTML, CSS, images, and JavaScript YURL are properly linked and saved within your project folder. Now navigate to Site in the top menu. Then select Manage Sites in the Manage Sites window. Choose your site and click Edit. Go to the Servers category. This is where you'll configure your connection to your web hosting provider. Click the ++ button to add a new server. Give your server a name in the Connect using drop-down. Select FTP, SFTP, or your preferred method based on your hosting provider's instructions. Enter your FTP address, username, and password provided by your hosting company. Remember to use a strong and unique password for security. The root directory will be the folder on the server where your website files will reside. It's often named public_HTML. The web URL is the address where people will access your website, and it needs to be entered in the appropriate field. Test your connection by clicking Test. If successful, Dreamweaver will confirm you're connected to your server. Select the files in the local site panel, right-click, and choose Upload to transfer them to your server. Alternatively, you can drag and drop files between your local and remote folders. A progress bar will appear indicating the upload status. Once complete, your website files will be live on your server. Finally, open your web browser and type in your domain name. Congratulations! Your website is now published online.